Have you ever spent time and money on the wrong solution or the wrong problem? Is there a particular problem that you find your team is solving over and over again? Hi, my name is AJ Emery. The mission of my company, FourLeaf Leadership, is to train leadership teams to break the cycle, to solve and prevent problems by looking at the whole picture. It saves the company a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of headaches. We coach leaders how to use a comprehensive approach to solve problems and increase productivity. It's called human performance technology. If you haven't learned about it yet, you're going to love it. And trust me, your team would love to hear about our problem-solving techniques. We offer workshops, speak at conferences, and even offer one-on-one coaching as a perk to your team members. It's even easier for me to explain what I do in person. I'd be happy to come to you and talk about how this approach would help your company specifically. Secure your time slot using the Calendly link or send me an email at aj@fourleafleadership.com. At FourLeaf Leadership, we don't leave success to luck. Once you start using our problem-solving and problem-preventing techniques, you'll get the results that you deserve. Schedule your meeting with me today.